party to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies, and that's all me. Some say life is boring, but I disagree. I wake up.
We back in Abu Dhabi. I don't know, it just feels, you know, like you come home. Abu Dhabi just feels like that place for me. Dubai feels good, but Abu Dhabi hits different for me personally. Anyways, we have less than 1 hour until it's my appointment to do my hair, but something funny happened. So I'm early because I was rushing. And the whole idea was that I was not supposed to be rushing, but then smart me forgot that Saudi Arabia is 1 hour behind UAE. So I didn't update my phone. So I was setting my alarms and everything. I woke up at 10 o'clock. I'm like, yes, 2 minutes to catch the bus. Then I will be there in time. Can eat my breakfast before I go, which I ordered. Then I'm like, hold a minute. When I ordered the food, I realized it says, oh, it's going to be delivering to you at like 12:25. I said, that's crazy. Why would it take over 1 hour to deliver the food? Turns out my phone was on Saudi Arabian time, not on UAE time. So I was running 1 hour behind. So then I messaged my loctician. I was like, yo, I'm gonna be late because, you know. So I said, can you push it back 1 hour to 4 o'clock? Because I was working that my appointment was 3 p.m. The man messaged me. No, he messaged me. He says, your appointment is at 4, but if you want to come at 4:30, it's fine. I'm like, wait, my appointment was at 4 all along. So I was working that it was at 3, but it was actually at 4. So either way, I was running behind time, but in reality, I was on time because I gave myself 1 hour grace period without knowing it. You see how that? You see? So anyways, the point of the matter is we arrived at the time that we should. It's now 3:17 because yes, for sure. Can you hug? 3:18 now. It's 3:18. This is the dog that I want one day. So anyways, we have time to eat and then go to get my hair done. Trust me. It won't be like this one coming. Very much different coming. Same but different coming. I gotta get back to my UAE English too. You know what I mean? It's different. It's different. It's same but different coming. We still have around 15 minutes left until it's time to do my hair. So I'm gonna run to the mall, which is attached to this hotel. Super awesome. And I want to grab me Starbucks because last night when I went to the airport and I asked for my regular venti decaf white chocolate mocha, no whipped cream, they didn't have coconut milk. So we going to the mall in Abu Dhabi because you know what? They will be having coconut milk. You know how I know? Because my people rep for me. Okay, my people rep for your girl. Should I? Yeah. Oh my God. It's okay. It will be long, but not forever. Put that in a bun. This is what we're working with. It's okay. It's okay. I mean, it's fine. It's okay. We'll be okay. We'll be okay. Oh, I have my jacket on. Guys. And you sometimes, even I wonder about me.
We have also a nice offer, 3 for 2. You get 2.
Thing, and now I'm gonna be leaving with 3 things.
Luckily, you will get the third one for free.
You're a good salesperson because you're probably right. Thank you. What did I tell you? What did I tell you? But anyways, now I'm in a rush to go to the airport. Not the airport. Oh, what is going on with me today with the airport? I'm gonna go to the hairdresser now. I'm in a rush because I spent a little longer than I should have picking out a gift for my friend. So I'll see you there. I don't have no time to chit chat no more. How we looking so far? Who is she? Knew it. Knew my people would be here. Yeah. Learning how to make pap this year. I'm playing with you. It's broken. So y'all, we're in McDonald's trying to get double cheeseburger meal. That was my hustle food back in the days when I was broke. So we're going back to that. And yeah, we're gonna have dinner quickly, and then we're going to see what the night has in store. I wanted sweet and sour sauce. Listen, hear me. The meal does not hit unless you have the sweet and sour sauce. Personally speaking. You're like, please.
Let's go now, you can make it.
Make him right on.
There we go. Your
Thank
tea,
you.
White mocha, coconut milk, decaf.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Bye. Thing is, he remembered who I was. He remembered my order and everything. How cute. And he was like, are you vlogging? So he said, wait. And he allowed me to vlog. He was so sweet. It's a very nice experience. But anyways, we're going home. I genuinely don't know where home is though. Hold on. First of all, it is hot in Abu Dhabi. And second of all, how cute was my Starbucks barista? I don't know if I got that on camera, but when I went, he said, "Oh, it's you again," and he started to talk to me, la di di da di. Then I said, "I bet you don't remember my order," and he said, "Decaf white, chocolate mocha, no whipped cream, coconut milk." He said it perfectly, and he says venti, and I said, "Awesome." Awesome sauce. Do you see what I mean? My people rep for me. And he made, oh well, let me double check. Decaf, extra hot. He remembered extra hot. That's my boy. That's my boy right there. So anyways, we are going to, it's 9:41, the next 5 minutes or so. I'm gonna head out on the streets, but I had to come and drop a few things because I went to the supermarket for no particular reason. But yeah, I ended up there. And I had to buy an SD card because my other memory card is full. Your girl be vlogging. Okay? So we bought, well not we, I bought a bigger one. A larger one with more space. So hopefully for the rest of this trip, which is only 2 days, we can get some content. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go, we're gonna walk, we're gonna go to the Heritage Village. Wait, let me see if it's still open. I hope it's still open because that was my plan. That was a highlight of my day after my hair. It was a highlight of my day after my... I think so. Yeah, no, people are walking. Yeah, no, we're going. We're going right now. Well, my people, this is the streets of Abu Dhabi at night. The real Abu Dhabi, not the only rich area. And for some strange reason, I feel kind of touristy, which I shouldn't because I've lived in this area in particular for years. But the thing is, even though I was living in the area, I never went to any of the places here. I legit went to work and I went home. And in retrospect, that was very odd because there's so much going on. People out here living life. The Heritage Village was literally across from where I stayed for years, never visited, but it ends tonight. And also, I'm very proud of myself because I am going places by myself. I usually go with someone else. But what I'm saying is, let 2025 be the year that we go places, even if we have to go alone. Can I just like go in? I'm nervous. Thank you. Anyways, y'all, turns out you have to pay to enter 35 AEDs. But it's okay. I'm gonna pay for it so I can have the experience. And that you can have the experience. Even though it's almost finished, apparently. Thank you. Thanking you. Got it. Let's go. 30. Oh, let me see. So truthfully, what I want is to be where the excitement is. So I'm going to the dancing part. These camels real? They might move. Yo, you're Jamaican. You see Jamaican colors. You're a guy. You're Jamaican. Look at you. Did you know? And their way of life. So there's a lot of things like the camels, you have the Bedouin tents, and you have the little art galleries that they have, pop-up shops, which is so cute. I'm happy I came. It's very much authentic of who they are. And so that's dance that they're doing. I can't remember the name, but they do it every national day. Basically, it's the UAE dance. It's very Arabic because different countries have different versions, but this version is for UAE. Hopefully you can hear me.
example what they want me to colors in that one. I don't want to make issue. Thank you.
Happy New Year. Like, you're online and you're breaking the rules. Oh my god. Genuinely, I didn't know that there was a gate to leave. I thought everybody could just, this is just one way to leave. Morning. Yeah, I sound like this. I literally, this is the first time I'm speaking since I've woken up. But yeah, we're heading off now for breakfast with a few of my friends and my past co-workers. So we're gonna link up with them to see what to do. We are within time. Don't be shocked. Honestly, being on time is my natural state. I don't know why I'm on camera. It's always first thing. Probably I need to juggle better time when I'm vlogging and getting ready. But so far, so good. It's 10:08 and I'm supposed to meet them 10:30. You sitting outside? You should know.
Pancake right there, good luck.
It's spicy? Yeah, those
Sunny side up and thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
With the little, yeah. Why does it look like that? Just was traveling with me, but it works. Don't be judgy. It looks a little bit weird. It works. Oh, sorry. How does it feel to be back in the vlogs? Back like I never left. Yeah. What? When is this vlog coming out? God no, don't do that. I know you're trying to be shady, but you know what? Love your shoes. Thank you. Look at you go. Oh, it's done now. Dang. Damn. Damn. Back again with my hands. Okay. First things first. I'm the realist. Let's go. I was gonna say. Call the people them. Like, you need to tell me about your life. Yo, you know nothing about my life. I know nothing about your life, and I feel. It's your life. Ow. It's not a. Ow! You put your whole heel back on my. What is this? Femur. So guys, we're planning to do ice skating today, but the thing is, maybe there. Hi. Good afternoon.
Hi. Good afternoon. Yes, I can help you.
I wanted to check if you guys have any sessions today. I checked. Sorry.
No sessions today.
No session. You guys have some event, right?
Yeah, there's a competition going on.
Ordering food. 2 foods. 2 injera. And quantafilfil that I can eat tomorrow. Well, I can keep and eat. So excited. I haven't had it in so long. So one fun fact about Kapemwa. She went to school in Ethiopia. And her favorite food is injera. Something you didn't know. And I introduced it to Kamoy. And she loves it. No. Every time I order, she be eating from me. Yeah, but I would never order it myself. Never in life. But it's not bad. I like the Tibbs one. She love the Tibbs. I love them Tibbs, boy. I love them Tibbs, boy. So tell the vlog, what have you been up to on my hiatus, other than missing me, obviously? Missing you so much. And that's it. I spend my days just thinking about Cowboy. Can you just... it's so annoying. We're just going to grab something very quickly. No one will see us. You know, that's the thing. You know, every time you say no one will see us, that's when someone sees you. Then you have multiple creeps next time. With 100%. On YouTube? No. I need more subscribers, guys. No one. I ain't got no money.
Creator fund, you know? No?
Huh?
Do you not need to subscribe for the creator fund?
Only when I have 1,000 subscribers.
How many you have?
Past that.
How many?
730.
Okay, we
4.
gotta work to get you 300 more.
It's okay. I feel like the people who will, they will one day.
We'll make jumpers and with QR codes and.
No, I need to now do my research on this movie.
Which movie was that that you did?
Oh, it's my big size.
See it?
Subconsciously, she remembers that something happened there because number one, she has short hair throughout the duration of the film, and we see that in the flashback.
Guys, update. What is going on?
We're going to Neon.
Why?
Because Kamoy's card was declined. So we just have to do the free activities.
So the real story is that the booking for 7:30 is full, so we have to wait 1 hour until 8. So in the meantime, we're trying to find something to do on Sadia Island. And honestly, there's not much. Okay, so this is basically the neon exhibit. I think we start here. Oh, there's some hibiscus going on here. Can you see?
Puppies.
Oh, puppies almost. Me? Okay, let's go one by one because it's 3 different stories. let's tell our story about where we're from. Please, Kapemba, start as the youngest. No, Aisha, please, as the youngest. Her name is Aisha. She's from Nairobi.
From Kenya.
You know what you did. Aisha. Ekutema. Just take a photo.
Where can we prop your thing at? Tell him to come back. Call him back.
Hello, friend. Friend. Where's friend? Security friend. By the way.
No, move back. There.
I just want to confirm that. Don't say. It's a rule, man. That anyone who's drinking alcohol must be minimum to 20 years
Thank you.
We just feel younger. We got card checked. Yeah, we still got it. High five.
How do we know?
It's yours.
8 o'clock.
It says 97, 8 o'clock. KK, it's your receipt.
I knew I put it in my pocket and it dropped somewhere.
I will like maybe there's.
Shame.
Well,
This is me.
good thing they don't sweep.
This is
Follow me to Bubble Planet.
Bubble Planet. Looks like a cartoon. I thought there was a door. change it. I'm not going outside. Football is music. There's a lot going on. Wish us luck. Hopefully you guys don't get we're disappearing. It can be a little claustrophobic, like help me. I can't feel your feet. No, I'm done. Help me out. Your hand. Aisha! Elbow is no longer on my leg. Bye. Bye. Deuces. Ow. I hurt my wrist. It looks, but it's actually very painful, huh? And it works your core. It's a full-on exercise that we're doing here. It's not as easy as it looks. Wait, what's this? Is this like a tentacle?
What's the leg? Like the thigh and then the...
Okay, no. I don't like it. If I just lay here, would you lie with me and just forget the world? Stop throwing it. Stop it. Stop it. Hit the camera, Liz. You're missing so bad. She's trying to hit y'all. Oh my god, why do I aim so bad? Terrible. But all I'm saying is, it's a nice place to just chill. But you gotta have some core strength. And this guy right here, he's almost stepping on my ankle. But he does not know that. And if he steps on my ankle, I'm done. So, apparently, this simulation, the balloons, is supposed to make you feel like you're in a hot air balloon. Now, I've never been in a hot air balloon, but I can imagine. It doesn't feel like this. Yeah, we should just go to Cappadocia. Let's just go to Cappadocia and do the real thing. Let's do the real thing. Yeah. But anyways, it was cute. Yeah, I'm done. All right, that's it. Thank you, folks, for all you do.
I just wanna hear you say.
Be careful. Here we are in this beautiful place, right? So we're all trying to take a photograph. Now this one Arabic lady girl, she asked me to take a photograph for her. So I was just like, okay, cool, let me try to help her out. Then she's like, no, lighting no good, take again. Rudely. So I'm like, no ma'am. She was just like, okay then go. She was being rude to me, telling me like, go away, why can't you take pictures? Like, you're asking for a favor, you're being rude? Are you? No ma'am, no. I was like, immediately no. Good morning, my people. What's up? So today's the last day in Abu Dhabi and I'm walking and all of a sudden I feel something strange. I was like, where is my bracelet? Couldn't find it. So then I had already checked out of the hotel, so I went back and I told them that I can't find my bracelet, and they said, okay, come to the room and check. Immediately I'm like, my brother, No.
You must clean.
No. I'm like, my brother bought me this. I was willing to go back to Pandora and buy every single charm. Like, that's what I was thinking. I said, if I can't find it, I'm rebuying every single one. It's like, that's like... But anyways, we found it. It was on the floor. Airport now, and I'm just sitting here like, wow, I really did that. I came to UAE for 2 days, and I'm heading back to the kingdom. And not only am I heading back to the kingdom, I'm heading back to the kingdom to go to work immediately. Like, am I crazy? Exactly. I think the next time I probably won't fly into Dubai. I'll probably just go straight to Abu Dhabi because I spent most of my time there anyways. So when I looked back, I was like, it was a good trip. So it's now, it's 3 o'clock, honey. That means we have 1 more hour until our flight leaves. I land at 6 a.m. and then work is at 9. So I need to get from the airport to my house in time to take a shower and get ready to go to work at 9. But we can do it because we can do hard things. But anyways, that is it. That is 48 hours in my life in UAE, flying from Saudi Arabia. Hope you enjoyed the content, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for tuning in. Bye.